We were tracking the dust into Texas today on Monday, but there's something really interesting that we saw in the dust forecast. So I don't want you to look here at our dust. I want you to look off the East Coast right there. I'm going to put this in motion and look at the little, you see it? Little curlicue. That's low pressure trying to form off the East Coast of the Carolinas. And in fact, the Hurricane Center is monitoring a spot here with a 10% chance for development. So we were looking at this and the overall flow, and we've got this big high sitting here, and so with that clockwise rotation, we were just kind of wondering if any of that could wrap around, come across Florida and into the Gulf, which would concern us. But when we look at the modeling, it's very inconclusive, and that high shifts east, and look at how the flow then goes right into the Carolinas by the time we get into Thursday of this week. So although it's hard to pick up the forecast for that little tropical thing with the forecast radar, it did show up on the dust forecast. So let's look at this. So here's Tuesday. There's our little curlicue. You can see it rotating there off the coast of North and South Carolina by Wednesday. But then instead of coming across Florida, watch, it just goes inland and vanishes. So a great example of how our dust forecast product helps us forecast the potential track of a little quasi-tropical system.